Packaging means to dress, protect, but most of all, preserve a product. Imanpack has been designing and producing automatic packaging solutions for over 30 years. Imanpack stands out for its ability to grasp the needs of its customers and suggest innovative and original solutions. This characteristic allows the firm to work in many different markets: metal spare parts and hardware, food, pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry. An Imanpack's customer actually becomes a partner with whom to think, design and produce solutions to any packaging problem, from the simplest to the most complex, in a partnership of constant advice and assistance. Collaborations with world-leading companies in various industries over the years and the use of cutting-edge technologies guarantee the creation of flexible, high-quality, precision systems. Imanpack exports 60% of its products abroad. It is present all over the world with agencies or distributors. The production process is completely carried out inside the company. Designing, software programming, manufacturing of mechanical components, assembling, quality control, and post-sale technical service. In 2004, the company obtained the certification of the quality management system according to the international regulation ISO 9001-2000. Thanks to the deep technical and planning know-how of its staff, Imanpack is a dynamic company which is never bound to a specific product and which is able to look at the future with enthusiasm. With this attitude, the company chooses to put its experience to the benefit of the environment, and in 2004 it enters the eco market with a new division, Imanpack Eco Division, designing and manufacturing automatic waste management systems. Creative competence, controlled innovation, dynamic farsightedness, and continuous collaboration are only a few of the values that identify Imanpack, a company with an eye to the future, always ready to grasp the challenges ahead.